So again, we talked about eat fat, eat foods high in fat or calories less often. So example, eat French fries once a week instead of every day. If you ate French fries once a week instead of every day, that would mean you'd have 132 grams of fat per week. Eat smaller amounts of high calorie foods. So cutting back even a little on amount you eat can make a big difference. So example, with the salad bar, use a regular spoon instead of a ladle to pour on your salad dressing. So a lot of people don't realize most ladles, those things that you dip the salad dressing, especially at those buffets, they hold about 4 tablespoons of salad dressing. No, they hold 4 tablespoons. So most spoons hold 1 tablespoon or less. So you'll eat it less if you just take a tablespoon and get your dressing versus using a ladle. Now, when you use that ladle, you're getting almost 30 grams of fat. People don't realize ranch how fat it is. One dip of that ranch is about 30 fat grams, right? Now, and they encourage that we stay under about 55 fat grams a day. So if I didn't some dressing and it got like 20 fat grams and I supposed to stand at 50, that's not include breakfast or lunch or dinner, and that might have a few fat things in there. I'm gonna go over my fat grams. When I go over my fat grams, then that means I'm gonna be gaining more fat. And when I do that, then I'm gonna have a lot of health problems, right?